Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do some kind of a hack video. Now in this hack video I am going to do my contouring and my highlighting before doing my foundation. So I got to know about this hack via the channel Kaushal Beauty. I love her makeup videos. I actually wanted to know that it actually works on myself or not. So I'm going to try that hack on myself right now. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
Audio Jungle.
Going into that contouring and highlighting part, I'm just going to prep my skin because that is not an option. You have to prep your skin before doing any kind of makeup. So first of all, I am taking this Vaseline lip care. It is actually not lip care, but I apply it on my lips. So, and to moisturize my face, I am using this Nykaa Skin Potion anti-acne facial oil. And now for the primer, I am using this Smashbox Photo Finish Minimizing Pore Primer and applying where I have larger pores, like on my forehead, on my cheeks, around my nose and on my chin. So yeah, my skin is all prepared and everything. Now let's get into the contouring and highlighting thing. First of all, I'm going to show you that what product I'm going to use for my contouring and highlighting. So for my contouring, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And for my concealing, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal again in the shade Creamy Beige. And for my highlighting, I'm using this Wet n Wild in the shade, like, this is Photo Focus Concealer and it is in the shade Light Ivory. So I'm just going to use these three things first, and after that I'm going to use the foundation. I'm just going to conceal. I feel like if we use this method, we can use less product and yet we can get the glam look. Like, you are not using that much foundation because you have already applied this much concealer and contouring already, so you don't have to apply so much of foundation. So in a way you are saving your product and you are not applying so much product on your face. So I think it's good, but let's see how my face can handle that. After that, I'm going to apply this LA Girl Pro Conceal in this shade Beautiful Bronze. On my nose. Around my lips. Yeah, I am kind of looking like some booth. And now for highlighting, I am using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and it is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm just going to highlight. I need a little bit of like lightening under my eye and everywhere else, like on my forehead and on my nose, here, little bit more on here, like I need, and somewhat here. So now it is all drying. So first of all, I'm going to blend the highlighter with this angular brush. I feel like I should have done one by one, but yeah, I'm just going to make it work now because it is drying and I don't want that. it is mixing in one another, like literally, see. So I'm just going to blend first the contour and then I'm going to blend another things. I'm like too much contoured and bronzed. Okay. I feel like this is more contoured than this. But what are you gonna do? I'm just trying it out. Let's see. If this technique is going to work, get full coverage glam look without using so much foundation. So I hope this works. Yeah. Still looking like a clown. Bronzed and highlighted clown. So I'm just going to blend this highlighting. Okay, it is dry. And you know what, I'm not going to blend a lot because otherwise it won't show after the foundation. So I'm just going to blend lightly so that I can see after the foundation the effect of the contouring and the highlighting. And
my lovely snatched nose.
better, I feel little bit better now, but still let's see how the foundation works on this thing. So I'm using this foundation brush and taking the foundation, where's the foundation, and taking this foundation Infallible one in the shade Golden Beige. This is the Infallible Stay Fresh foundation. It's from L'Oreal. It's my favorite foundation. It does oxidize, but you can still make it work and it stays for really long time. So yeah, this is my favorite. So I'm just taking one pump and nothing else. So let's see. You guys still can see the contouring and highlighting after the foundation? Let me know, because I can, because I don't know if it is visible on the camera, and but it's quite good. It gives a kind of a natural contoured effect, so which is I like. And I don't have to use so much of foundation, so that's good. I just used one pump, that's it. This is it. With the contouring, highlighting and after foundation. So this is what my face right now looks like, and pretty much it is good, but I don't find any difference between the look I create before foundation and then I do the contouring, highlighting and this one. It is just that you can literally use one pump of foundation and do the full face. Otherwise you need two pumps, and it depends on the coverage obviously, but it is only one pump of foundation and this full face, because I did the contouring, highlighting and concealing before. So you can save up on your foundation and it is not looking cakey at all, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I like it. And now I'm just going to set my face with this MAC mineralized foundation powder in the shade medium, and to contour, like slightly contour again, like if you can skip it totally, but I like snatched face, so I'm just going to contour again. And I'm using this Nykaa Duo. I broke it, bro. I can break any product. So this is the contour and highlight duo in the variant Sizzle Chisel 01. So I'm just lightly going to contour with this product. Like, you don't need it, but I feel so I'm just doing it. Otherwise you can totally live your face like that and just go out, it's fine, it will look flawless and natural. Like, if you're someone who like natural contouring and natural highlighting, you can try this technique, it will totally work. Like, it worked for me, it worked for Kaushal Beauty, so I guess yeah, it will work. So that's that. For highlighting I'm using the same shade. Just highlighting a bit. I love this highlighter, like it is so smooth and it doesn't look chunky or anything. Yeah, so this is how my highlighter looks. I love this highlighter a lot. Like, it is perfect for me. I don't like anything like goldenish or anything like more diamond. No, this is perfect. For blush I'm using this Benetint. I know it's liquid, but I just want to try that how does it look on my face, so I'm just using it. This is, by the way, Benetint from Benefit. So I'm just going to put it on my hand. I'm not risking it on my cheeks. I'm just putting it on my hand, and with my fingers I'm just dotting it like this all over. Just like this. So I'm back and I did my brows and my mascara and lipstick off camera, and the lipstick I used is, this is from NYB. This is the NYB Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Your Extra Innings 22. I love this nude. This is the perfect nude for me. Like, it is so comfortable, it is creamy, it is not that matte, but I love this so much, so I thought why not to share with you. So this is the lip shade. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and about my verdict about this hack, it is yay for me because it is perfectly good hack if you wanna achieve something like a natural contour face, naturally contoured and highlighted face. It is perfectly good and you don't need so much product. Like, I used one pump of the foundation because I already did the contouring and the highlighting, and it totally worked for me. I have acne scars, which actually I was able to cover the acne scars with that one pump, so it is a good technique. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.